In this video, we are going to solve by graphing. So these are both in standard form, but I'm going to notice very quickly that since we have 4x and it's negative 15, one of our intercepts is not going to be very nice. But since this 3 would go into 15, I'm actually going to rewrite this equation in slope-intercept form. So negative 3y would equal negative 4x minus 15. So y would equal positive 4/3 x plus 5. What that does for me is once I find my y-intercept, I can count out my slope up 4, right 3, or down 4, left 3. That's a little bit easier than trying to find the fractional x-intercept that we get by going through here. And my line's off a little bit, so I'm just going to redo that line. But we can see, hopefully, my line's a little better. If I were to zoom in here, I don't go through one of those corners for that x-intercept around here. So that's why I went this route. Okay, similar idea on the second one. I can do that again because I'm not going to get a nice y-intercept here when I divide, but the numbers are nice enough that I know I'm going to have a fraction of a half at least. So I'm just going to leave it like this. My x-intercept for this green one, that's going to be when y is equal to 0. Well, that's just x equals negative 1. The y-intercept, that's when x is equal to 0, 2y is equal to negative 1, y is negative 1/2. Very, very close. So when I go to draw my line here, it's about right there. Now, I know that I did not draw this perfectly. Even with technology, I'm off by a little bit. So I am kind of operating under the assumption here they're supposed to cross right at that ordered pair. But since I'm not positive, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my ordered pair is negative 3, 1, where those two things cross. But I'm definitely going to check. So the first thing I'm going to check is the bottom equation because that's going to be a little bit easier. Negative 3 plus 2 times 1. That equals negative 1, so that's a good sign. 4 times negative 3 from the top equation, minus 3 times 1. It's negative 12 minus 3. That does equal negative 15. So they are supposed to cross at that exact ordered pair. That is my solution to the system of equations. Have a great day, everybody.